minutes of my time.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be a Balance Athletica try-on haul and sizing video. Balance Athletica just came out with the Kingdom collection and it's launching this Saturday at 12 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, and I'm so freaking excited to show you guys all the pieces that Balance has sent me and all the pieces in the Kingdom collection. In the Kingdom collection, there's going to be two different materials for the sports bras and the leggings. So in all the pattern leggings, that is going to be the Extend material, and that is for high performance, so it means it's lightweight, it's sweat resistant, so sweat wicking, and it's so freaking comfortable. They added more fabric to the waistbands, so you're not sitting there pulling up your waistband or your leggings after you're running or squatting or any of that. The second material is going to be the OG material, which is more lifestyle, but you can still wear while you're working out. It's just a buttery smooth material, and it's honestly my favorite fabric material ever. For reference for this video, I am 5'5", I'm 115 pounds, and I am wearing a small in every single item. So in every single sports bra, every legging, and every single jacket, I wear a size small. So without further ado, I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's just jump right into this video.
And I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. From the get-go, let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. a glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint. You got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me break